Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This was so YouTuber of me to do. Anyway, it had been such a long time since I said this. And how have you been? It's been a very, very long time since I shot a video. And I've become a tad bit fancier since then because I now have a microphone to speak in, as you all can see. Anyway, this is not going to be a vlog, it's going to be a sit down video. I'm going to be showing you all the presents that I got for my birthday. Such a special video for me. Also, it was supposed to be shot a month ago because my birthday was on June 1st. I unfortunately could not shoot it because I own an iPhone and iPhones do not have storage, as you all know already. Anyway, I somehow managed to clear the unnecessary, what do we call that, cache that I had in my phone, and now I am left with some storage, so I will quickly shoot this video for you. I'll just clip this thing right here because I'm not going to be holding it in my hand for the entire course of the video. So let's just hope this works as fine as it was working while it was in my hand. Anyway, also a little skin update. The last time that you saw me, my skin was horrible. My face was full of acne. It has now become a lot better. I'm not wearing any makeup except a kajal and a lipstick. Anyway, let's get into the video. I am so excited. Okay, I'm gonna start from this. So this is a watch that was in my wish list for a very long time. My father told me to get it on New Year's, on Christmas, but I was like, no, let's just wait for my birthday. So my birthday was in June 1st. I think a lot of you all know already because you'll follow me on Instagram. Anyways, so this is a gold watch. I already have two silver watches and I needed something golden in color. I do not like rose gold, no, none of that stuff, pure real gold. So this is the watch and I love it so much. I love watches. If someone has not already gathered that yet, I love wearing watches. I love collecting watches. I love big dials. I do not like Apple, iWatch, none of that technical stuff. No, like a solid traditional watch. I love watches. So this was one of the gifts, and there are a lot to come. Actually, I have like what? See, this is the first bag, then I have this bag. Then I have this one, and it has a really precious thing inside of it. Uh, I'm gonna show everything to you one by one. The next two things are related to makeup. The first thing is this Dior lip gloss, which I got for myself in May, so before my birthday. This is the lip gloss. It is in the shade, I don't know, 600. So there's no name. No, I don't think there's a name. 600 is the shade, or maybe it's 006. I don't. Either it's 009 or it's 600. I think it's 009 because who in the world would make a shade named 600? Anyway, this is the gloss. Then the next thing I have is a YSL lipstick. This was given by someone to me, and I love it. Why would I not love it? And this is, just look at this gorgeous thing right here. So this is a heart and it's the lipstick shade right here. So it's a gloss lipstick. Everybody now knows that I love gloss. I used to really like matte lipsticks, but I'm now over it. I love gloss. So these both, this is a gloss and this is a gloss lipstick. मेरे को किसी ने बोला था कि व्लॉग में हिंदी भी यूज किया कर थोड़ी सी, बट एज सून एज आई स्विच ऑन द कैमरा, it is a little difficult for me to talk in Hindi for a very long time. I am gonna try my best though. इसके बाद जो चीज़ है वो ये, and one of my friends gave this to me and it's so cute. I love it so much. This is the first ever time someone has ever given me a plushie and it's a penguin, and it is so, please tell me this is the cutest thing you have ever seen in your life, please. Just it is really cute. I love it. I love it so much. It's so cute. But I do not have a habit of keeping it on my bed because I've never had plushies before. So I just keep it in the bag so it does not get dirty, but I love it so 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 much. It's one of my favorite gifts. Not that I don't like any other the rest of the gifts, but this is just one of my very absolute favorites. When Why does my tongue slip so much? What the next gift that I'm going to show you is, I feel uh, so close to my heart. A lot of thought and a lot of efforts have been put into this gift. Ritu made this for me. She custom made this thing for me, and I'm so grateful for having such friends in my life, because who else would, itni mehnat kaun karega, you know? So this is a box. There's this picture of me here, and when we open this, I need to show this to you. So when we open it, so it says happy birthday. I don't think it's visible to the camera, but this so all of this says happy birthday, all these letters. Then there are pictures of me and Ritu, all of that. Then there's a card inside. So she made a handmade card for me as well, which I love, which I'm not going to be showing you. बाहर का ही देख लो, वही बहुत है. Then I have some things from H&M which my friends gave me. ये मेरे को अभिनव ने दिया था. It was flowers, but I still have them. Of course, मैं हर चीज़ रखती हूँ बचा के. Then काफ़ी jewelry है थोड़ी सी, which has been entangled. I have not worn them क्योंकि मेरे को ये वीडियो बनानी थी. अभी तक मैंने पहना नहीं. Oh my god, I'm gonna take a lot of time solving this thing. Wait, I managed to detangle all of the jewelry. So Ritu gave me this pendant. It's gold and it has a little red heart. And I love this piece so so much. Very cute. Now I'm gonna start wearing it. Another jewelry thing that Ritu gave me was this silver pendant. I love this very much. I love the fact that one of the pendants is gold and one is silver, because I'm both silver and gold jewelry girly. जिस हिसाब से आउटफिट्स पहनती हूँ उस हिसाब से आई वियर ज्वेलरी. This is very special to me. Abhinav gave this to me, by the way. This is the neck piece. So all three of us, Ritu, Abhinav, and I, went to H&M in CP. और वहाँ पे हम कुछ चीज़ें देख रहे थे. And I just stood in front of this, what do we call this? Necklace. तो मैं इसके आगे काफ़ी देर खड़ी रही और फिर मैंने अभिनव को बोला, मैं कहा भाई इधर आ एक बार. मैं कहा भाई ये कितना सुंदर है यार, मेरा दिल आ गया इस पे. और हम दोनों 2-3 मिनट तक इसके आगे खड़े हैं और मैं तारीफ किए जा रही हूँ इसकी, और मैं उसको बोल रही हूँ भाई इसको ना हम, वो मेरे को कह रहा है इसको तू कहाँ पहनेंगी, इसको कहाँ पहनेंगी. मैंने कहा यार बीच पे जाऊंगी तो बीच पे पहन लूंगी, कोई वाइट कलर का आउटफिट होगा सुंदर सा तो उसके साथ में इसको है ना कॉन्ट्रास्ट के लिए मैच कर सकती हूँ. मैं रीजंस दिए जा रही हूँ. देयर इज नो प्लानिंग कि मैं इसको खरीदूंगी. मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग हिम कि भाई ऐसे पहन सकते हैं, ऐसे कर सकते हैं, ये वो. आई एम टेलिंग हिम ऑल द वेज दैट आई कैन स्टाइल इट. दैट्स दैट. यहाँ पे कहानी खत्म हो गई. द नेक्स्ट डे हमारी पार्टी हुई विच आई थ्रू फॉर माई बर्थडे एंड ऑल ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स वर इन्वाइटेड. आई सो दिस वॉज नॉट लाइक दिस. उसने पैक किया हुआ था पूरा अभिनव ने, और उस पर एक नोट था विच सेड, आई स्टिल हैव इट, आई डोंट नो विच पॉलिथिन इट्स इन, बट आई स्टिल हैव इट. तो उस नोट में लिखा हुआ था कि यू वर सेइंग अगेन एंड अगेन कि अभिनव मेरा तो ना इस पे दिल आ गया है. एंड आई लुक्ड एट हिम एंड आई वाज लाइक हम कल ही तो सीपी गए थे, तू ये कब जाके लेके आया मेरे लिए. तो उसने कहा मैं रात को वापस गया था ये लेने, एंड ही गॉट मी दिस. दिस इज हाउ थॉटफुल माई फ्रेंड्स आर. ऑल्सो दे ऑल्सो गिफ्टेड मी मैगी, क्योंकि उन्हें पता है मेरे घर में मैगी आना इज लाइक बैन. मेरे पापा बहुत डांटते हैं मैगी घर में आती है तो उन्होंने बड़ा ही अच्छा थॉट लगा के मुझे मैगी भी गिफ्ट की थी, जो मैंने खा ली है ऑब्वियसली. नेक्स्ट थिंग आई हैव इज अ पैकेट ऑफ रिंग्स. ये मेरे को रितु ने दिया है, ये भी गोल्ड है. आई हैव द सेम इन सिल्वर. तो उसको ये पता था तो उसने मुझे गोल्ड में दिया. ये सारा गोल्ड, मतलब काफ़ी सारी इसमें रिंग्स आती हैं. सो आई लव इट. मेरे को गोल्ड अब पसंद आने लगा है, पहले नहीं था. देन how do I open this? Okay, I got this. This is for my ankles, by the way. This is supposed to be worn in the ang in the what? In the I just said the word. What was it? Ankle, ankle, ankle. It is supposed to be worn at the ankles. One of the ankles, not both, because ये एक ही पैर में पहना जाता है. What the hell? I was continuously thinking I'm forgetting one gift. I'm forgetting something. It turns out to be one of the most important things ever. This was the gift that I was forgetting about. What the hell? Anyway, this was made by Sahil. This is a magazine that is entirely curated for me. I am on all of the pages of this magazine. It has literally everything, like uh, my photos, pictures from when I was a baby, all the information that you need about me. अगर किसी को detective hire करना है और उसका काम आसान करना है, please just like a handout. It's like उनको दे दो ये, उसको फिर कोई मेहनत करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, because Sahil has captured literally every single thing from my life, because he's also been my friend for 11 years now, so he knows me inside out. I was also gifted some clothing items from Burger Bay. So I was gifted 8 9 body hugging t-shirts in all the colors you could imagine. These are some of those t-shirts. Two I still haven't opened yet. So I have blue, gray, black, lilac, brown, every single thing, every single color. I'm sorry. And then the next clothing item that I got was this dress that my dad got for me before my birthday. तो ये मेरी birthday dress थी. I wore it on my birthday. You guys must have seen it on my Instagram because I posted a lot of pictures wearing this dress. So yeah, these were all the gifts that I got. All right, this was it for today's video. I'm not gonna say I hope you enjoyed it or I hope you liked it, because honestly, the sole purpose of this video, this particular video, is showing my friends the gratitude that I have for them. They are very important people in my life, and they put so much of love and affection and effort into whatever they've done to make my day special. So it's kind of, it becomes my job to make them feel special too. And I really really hope when my friends see this video, they feel a lot of, what do you say, they feel happy, they feel that there's a lot of genuine love inside my heart for them. And I know they probably already know that, but again, it becomes my job, especially on moments like these, to come, especially on this platform, and publicly tell them how much I love them. That's it. मेरे दोस्तों की काफ़ी तारीफ हो गई. Like, comment, share, subscribe, सब कुछ कर देना. I'll see you in another video. Bye.